What's up, guys? I'm with another video. Today we're going to be talking about why women treat you guys different when you're in shape. Let me tell you something, right? Most people won't say this out loud. The way people treat you when you're out of shape versus when you're in shape is completely different. Same personality, same sense of humor, same mindset, but suddenly you get more attention. Why is that? Because when you are in shape, people treat you differently. They see a man of discipline, a man of self-respect. So the truth is, when it comes to attraction starts visually before anything else. That's how humans are wired, right? When you're in shape, it sends a message without you saying a word. It tells people you're disciplined, you take care of yourself, you can handle things, right? Handle hard things. If you've ever been out of shape, right? People who have been out of shape, you probably know the feeling of being overlooked. You walk into a room, nobody really notices you, conversations don't go anywhere, you might even feel invisible at times, and it's frustrating, right? Because deep down, you know you're the same person, but you're not getting the same exact responses or the same exact attention from people or probably in the world, right? Here's where everything starts to change. When you commit to getting in shape, it's not just your body that's transformed, it's your entire presence. You stand taller, you move differently, your confidence naturally increases. But not because you're forcing it, right? It's because you've actually earned it, right? You're going to the gym, you're being disciplined, you're earning that because you're consistent. That means you're building trust within yourself. And then you start noticing the little things. People look at you longer, conversations feel easier, you get more compliments. Sometimes conversations are like walk in a park, right? You get compliments from freaking strangers. And the crazy part is you didn't change who you are, you just changed the way you look. Physically, there's actual psychology behind this called the halo effect, right? Basically, when you look better physically, people automatically assume you have other positive traits too, like confidence, success, and competence. So before you even speak, you're already being perceived differently. But here's the part most guys get wrong. Getting in shape just to impress women is a wrong mindset, right? You're not getting in shape to impress women, you're getting in shape for yourself, to improve yourself. You want people to treat you with respect, right? When you come in a room, you want people to look at you like you're that guy, because you're that guy. And then when you do that, the attention, the attraction, the respect, they come naturally as a byproduct. Women are just a byproduct to your physical capabilities, right? To your physical attraction. There's a byproduct. You're getting in shape for yourself. So right now, if you're out of shape and you feel invisible right now, that's okay. That's your starting point. Use that, let that drive you, because if you stay consistent, if you stay disciplined, your entire life can change in a matter of months. Not just your body, but how people see you, how people treat you, and most importantly, how people see you as yourself. If you're this right now and you feel overlooked, if you feel invisible, if you feel like you're not getting attention or respect you deserve, good. Use that as motivation to get better, because it's frustrating, right? That's the feeling, that's the fuel, right? That's your starting point. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have everything figured out. All you need to do is start. Start showing up, start training, start building discipline, and one day at a time, because I promise you this, if you do it day by day, if you give yourself 60 to 90 or even 120 days of real consistency, your life will not look the same. Not just your body, but how people treat you, how people respond to you, and most importantly, how you see yourself. And once that changes, everything changes. So stop waiting, stop overthinking, and start becoming the version of yourself that you already know that you're capable of doing. Ivan out.